What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Adriana Janae. It's officially Christmas Eve, y'all. Like, I don't know why I'm excited for. Like, it's Christmas Eve, y'all. Tomorrow is Christmas. This shit has flown by so freaking fast. Like, it's crazy. But y'all, I know it's been a while since I got back with y'all on my last video. I don't know if I'm gonna add that. Plans for today is we supposed to be having a Christmas party later on at my mom's house, and we supposed to be cooking. We supposed to be playing games. Yeah, celebrating, because I work tomorrow. Unfortunately, I work on Christmas, so today is my only day off this week. And yeah, we just want to party. So really, that's really all the plans that we have. Today is to go to the Christmas party later. I don't know what I'm gonna do up until then. I'm probably just gonna clean my room right now. My room is a vibe, but yeah, that's probably what I'm finna do. I'm probably finna clean, because it's not until, the party's not until 9. I mean, the party's not until 2 o'clock, but it's only 9:34 in the morning. So I don't know if I'm just ride out and just waste time, or I'm gonna just chill here. Probably gonna chill here, wash clothes, clean my room, probably clean my son's room, and then yeah, I'll probably get back at y'all. I don't know when I'm gonna get back at y'all, but I'm gonna check in with y'all late. And yeah,
treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you for you. I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, I'm hurting my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, I'm hurting and going back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on going back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, without you, I keep on running back to you. I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad, what love will make you do. All the things that we accept.
Alright, y'all, so I just finished cleaning up my room, as y'all seen. Next, I'm finna do my son's room. I'm probably not even gonna record that. I'm just show y'all the finishing when I'm done, because his room is just, he just can't keep it clean. I mean, he's only 4 years old, but I'm finna go in his room, and then I'm gonna get y'all when I'm done with his room and show y'all the after. I'm not even gonna show y'all the before, because it's just terrible. Alright, y'all, so it is time to head to my mom's house right now. It is 1:34. Like I said, it's supposed to start at 2 o'clock. We finna go over there and have food. We finna go play some games. You know, we just finna have a whole fun time. But right now, I was just flat ironing my hair. I'm not finna put no makeup on today. I don't even feel like it. And it's like really gloomy outside, and it makes me not want to do my makeup, so I'm not doing it. But we all got, it's supposed to be like pajamas. We got these little matching pajamas. Y'all know, y'all like, why your bathroom got a pink light? I got these pink light bulbs in here, but we got these cute pajamas. And yeah, like I said, we finna go over there. We finna have a good time, eat, maybe paint, play games. And yeah, whenever I get over there, y'all, I'm gonna get back with y'all and this camera will be back on. Right here. Alright, y'all, so I found these 2 games that I'm finna take over there. It's called New Phone Who This, and I got a game called Incoherent. So we finna play that. Like I said, I'm finna go to my mama's house. I'm trying to debate if I want to go ahead and take my Secret Santa gifts to my mom's house, because the person I got has to work tomorrow. I have to work the evening and she has to work there in the morning. So the only time she would be able to, I will be able to see her gifts is probably today. So 9 times out of 10, I'm probably gonna take them over there. I'm gonna show y'all the gifts when I go downstairs. But yeah. Alright, y'all, so here are some of the gifts. This is my Secret Santa person stuff over here. And then right here, I'm probably gonna end up taking that with me today. Like I said, the person that I chose for Secret Santa has to work, so probably gonna let her open her stuff today and see what she got. I'll probably show y'all what she got. But this is the Christmas tree. Yeah, but like I said, let me go. I had to bring the fruit. Make sure I didn't forget my fruit. Why you ain't tell me fruit was this expensive at Publix? This thing was $20. But I had already bought the cupcakes. I already took that over there, and then everything else is over there. So let's go ahead and get in the car and let's go, because it's gonna be 2 o'clock.
You're treating me so bad. Stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. My heart can't take no more. I keep on running back. See, my days are cold without you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. so sad when love.
Happy Christmas Eve, everybody. Not even that funny. Oh no. Y'all, I never had it.
I haven't decided. I might decide not to come.
You know that dance they turn like this?
That one.
What? Yeah.
Let me rap one then.
Y'all, we about to get our food and eat. Games. TikTok shop. Go make sure you go check out your girl Adriana.
So I called Tabo. Had him research.
I'm gonna be playing this game. We have these for the guests that come. We're gonna do some painting, stuff like that. So yeah, I'll come back to y'all when I get my plate so I can show y'all. Y'all, I always steal her camera.
I guess I was afraid.
It's some hot. A bit. Here's the food. I told y'all. Cutesy, very demure. Yeah. Erica said Christmas colors. Let me get her pig. Too. Just make sure it's good.
Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares, 'cause I can't give it all away if he won't be here next year. Feeling Christmas all around and trying to play it cool, but it's hard to focus when I see him walking across the room. Let us know it's lasting now, but I won't get in the mood. I'm avoiding every mistletoe until I know it's true. Now that he thinks I love, so next Christmas I'm not all alone, boy. Tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Tell me if you really care, 'cause I can't give it all if you won't be here next year. I've been down this road before, fell in love on Christmas night, but I knew you'd say I woke up and it wasn't by myself.
Y'all, so since my sister has to work tomorrow, I'm finna go ahead and give her her Secret Santa gifts. I look a mess. Ignore me.
could go. That's like a bit much for that. I don't know. Robert said, what was it? Maybe, maybe not. What he said?
Stay woke.
Yeah. But no.
I think Kayla's is funny.
Yeah, it's supposed to be funny. This is.
I think it'll go match with this one.
Yeah,
It says, good morning. Can you cover Sam's shift today? Respond.
This is going to take some thinking. If you need me, I'll be rollerblading through the cemetery.
What was wrong?
This is going to
Maybe,
take some
maybe
thinking.
not. Stay woke.
Yeah, right.
Okay, maybe Robert.
My turn.
You draw a picture?
You ain't about to.
Oh, we gotta guess what she's drawing.
I'm gonna let dog food like some
Look like Arthur to me.
I look the same.
Merry Christmas, everyone! Yay! Everybody say Merry Christmas, everyone!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Stop! I don't want to be shot. That thing hurt.
This is the Christmas tree. Mr. Green.
That's why you laughed when I said, look, Jesus.
I'm falling back down instead.
It's okay. What do you have to say, Adriana, on Christmas Eve today?
I have to say Merry Christmas to all and to all good night. Nah, I'm just playing like, but friend, get money. You feel me? 2025, get the money, nothing else.
That's all.
I have to say.
Oh, you already talked.
Oh. What do you have to say?
I have to say, what's up, YouTube channel? Today we're gonna be Christmas.
Let's see if you got any waves.
Christmas, everyone.
Becky, nah, that's not. Becky, you know it. Yeah, something's wrong with this young man.
And that's okay.
It's been a long day.
Let's go upstairs, guys.
It's been a, what the? But yeah, what do we do today? We just got done playing games. We done ate. Boy, quit trying to shoot me with that gun. Stop, boy, that thing hurt. Bro, move. You should be nothing in it. Ain't no light right here. Like I said, y'all, it's Christmas Eve. We done had a blast. We done had fun. We done ate good. We done had cookies, cupcakes. We done had wings. We done had buffalo. We done had buffalo chicken dip. We done had ranch. Give me a cup. Y'all.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Can I have pepperoni?
Yeah. But yeah, y'all. The party is coming to a close. These were my pajamas that I wore today.
So,
Yeah.
tomorrow,
He is back in in action.
Yeah. Make sure you don't slack on your girl. You know she about to start posting. She
Yeah.
told me that she was about to start being consistent with y'all because she haven't posted in a long time.
because
Yeah.
tomorrow's Christmas.
But she gonna drop this video probably when.
Tomorrow's Christmas tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Wednesday?
Don't even tell them no date because you didn't post
So-
this next year.
Soon
As soon as I
as
figure out how to get this
Christmas.
footage.
Soon as Christmas. Soon
You know
as
what you can do?
Christmas.
Search it up
Soon
on
as
YouTube.
Christmas.
I already know
Soon as
how.
you
That's how I
probably-
find it.
PD quick.
We got some punch in here. What kind of punch is this? What Kayla put in here? Ginger ale, pineapple juice,
Orange juice.
all of that. And it's real good. Real delish. Y'all, the day is coming to the end. Y'all done see this was tea today.
Let me show y'all the outfit of today. She's wearing a crop top. You're showing your.
Before you break my camera, I'm gonna break it. Yo.
Let's talk about what we're gonna do different for next year.
What I'm gonna do different? What I'm gonna do different next year is post consistently on the tool, especially with TikTok might be finna get banned next month. Yeah. What's up?
What I'm gonna do different next year is like, you know, be better as a person, you know, because we all have to improve on something, you know, but we're not gonna get into all of that. I'm gonna just tell y'all that. Y'all gonna be seeing me a lot. I'm telling y'all gonna be seeing me a lot because I'm gonna be in all those videos. I'm gonna be stealing her camera and she's gonna
Yeah.
She's gonna post these videos of me. Y'all just gonna see me get ready with me going upstairs. Y'all, she been balling out of control all week. Like. Do it again, Mari. Caught in 4K. Caught literally in 4K. I caught you, didn't I? I'm going to shut up.
And there we're listening in on tea. There you have it. I was listening in on the tea about who had me for Secret Santa, and I found it out.
We found it in
Does everybody want bubbles?
Bubbles. Let's slow down before you fall.
Mari, say hi to her YouTube.
What's up, YouTube girls? Look! What's up?
Let me
Tomorrow I'm gonna get.
Alright,
Let me give him. Cut it! 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 Cut it!
she's mad because
Cut it!
someone has her.
Cut it! Cut it! Cut it!
Good morning, everybody. Merry Christmas, y'all. Today is Christmas. Like, it's time to open gifts. I think it's about 9 o'clock right now. December 25th, 2024, y'all. It's time to open gifts. So, I'm finna head to my mama's house. Like I told y'all in my, I don't know if it was this video, but we doing Christmas opening gifts at my mom's house. I do have some stuff downstairs for my son to open up, but I don't know if I'm still like taking all that stuff over there because he wanted to stay over there. So maybe I let him open the stuff over here later on because I gotta work. So I don't really know how that's gonna work. But we finna go to my mama's house, open gifts, and yeah, I know he finna be excited when he see what's under that tree. When he see that he got a Ps5, that's all he talks about. He want a Ps5. He want a controller. Like, now you got one. So, we finna go over there. Because everybody waiting on me to open gifts. So, I have to hurry up. And I also have to work today, which is why I have to hurry up and kind of still get dressed. Because I still have to bring my work clothes and stuff with me because I have to work. But yeah, we finna go over there, open gifts. I know he finna be super excited. But like I said, Merry Christmas, everybody. And I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm at my mama's house. It's time to open gifts.
I don't know if this is it.
Did you hear what he said? He said he heard his budget. It's Jasmine. Wow.
I said, after I said, I would get Jasmine. You sit here talking.
Thank you, Erica.
That wasn't going to be the original one. And guess what? Walmart canceled my order. I had to go get it. It's a three. That's a three. That's what I know. I don't even got that data one. Are these Secret Santa gifts?
Thank you. That's good. So when I start my birthday,
I like it. This is cute.
What else did you get?
Blue straw cover set. It covers it up. Thank you, Kaya. What's his shoes?
Okay, go open it.
I can't open it yet.
Hold on, hold on.
We finna be on y'all next.
Y'all next. It's coming. Open hers.
I want to read too, but I didn't know these
Pink Stanley Cup.
That's just like Kaya.
Pretty, Adriana. Different ones, but
Let me see, turn this way.
Adriana. I got a thing.
What? You're next.
Erica, that's too big. I got the receipt in there for you to go.
Yay, Mike.
Yeah, what you got? AirPods?
Yeah.
Wow. Don't lose them, please. Last
I'm
one I
not
bought
going to
them.
lose them. The last ones got lost in the airplane.
Wow. That's what Demi and Pop got you. That's nice. You got, look at that. Look at that other one. Mari, open that other gift.
Look. No, look.
Okay.
Look at that.
Pull it out. Let's see. Hold it up. Ooh,
wow.
Look at the pants. Oh my God.
Right, look at the pants. Look at him.
That was charger under it.
Oh. He's talking about woo.
Wow, Jordan! That's Michael Jordan!
Wow. Turn it around.
You know,
so
I
can
saw a
see it.
calendar. I was going to get Maria's Michael Jordan, but it was a calendar, so I just...
Lovely.
Cute.
What else? Let's go to the next question.
Do we have some?
Are we doing Mari first?
Yeah, let's do Mari.
Just do Mari and Xavier. The one. Go ahead, get yours, Xavier. Open it.
Let me open mine.
Hold on, we're gonna do
Sit.
that time.
Let him open something.
Let me open mine.
Move, Mari. So
You said what?
Don't open that up yet.
Xavier, oh my God. We'll be here all night.
I'm not gonna.
Oh my God! Look.
What is that?
Lovely. And I got my socks that I asked for.
Okay, put that one to the side. Oh, go ahead.
Come here.
Here. Oh, that's yours too.
Mari.
Oh, that's nice.
I'm matching you, Amari.
You and Xavier matching, Amari.
Look, Amari.
Y'all gonna be twins.
Mari, come here.
No, I'm not coming.
Santa, come get the gifts back.
Come here, Mari.
That's nice though.
You want...
Let me see.
All these are yours.
I got you
Get Mari.
Okay, baby. Let me see.
Amari, what you got?
Michael.
Oh, Michael.
I got to put 2 or 3 outfits in there. He ain't even looking at them.
Now, I like that red one. That's pretty.
Nice.
Ooh.
Hey, Mama, they really got to get.
I like that.
We know your signature line.
What?
I'm going to take some of them away.
Ooh. You got new school clothes?
Hello, Mama. Did
For
you
school?
I ain't saying no
Look at these
fresh.
jeans got a name on it. And with your black shoes, Mari, look. Oh, well, you can't wear nice ones.
Oh, look.
That's
Nice.
space Looney Tunes?
Yep. Amari, look at
That's a
this
nice shirt.
Ooh, let me see. Ooh.
Oh, Erica, this was yours.
Yeah, that was there.
Okay, I opened it.
Dang.
Ooh, that's nice, Mari.
I got cargo pants.
You never hushed about those.
I needed these.
Pajamas.
What did you need,
Let
Mari?
me see, Mari.
Some pajamas. You love pajamas.
Who got you them?
They had the heaviest ones.
Oh, no, I got a Stanley, y'all.
Oh, I love that little stand. Look at you. You might got you. Ain't got to take one of them.
That's all of the kids. This one ain't got no name on it.
Technically.
Mama, this ain't got no name on it.
Uncle Robert.
Technically.
Mama. Mama. Come here. This ain't got no name on
Let's
it.
enjoy the moment.
You got more pajamas. Go ahead on be open it, Xavier. Look at that, Mari. Hey, girl, you see his outfit?
Nice.
That's nice. That's good.
You got another one in there. Oh, we got 2 outfits for this.
I need nothing.
What is that?
What you got?
Oh, look at you. Mari, Xavier, let me have them.
Oh my God.
You should be more than thankful.
Beat.
More than thankful.
Mari, this is yours.
What's that? Is that the big thing?
You love everything.
Where's his main thing?
Wait. Wait, Mom, this is Mari. It's Sam, Mari.
Oh, yeah.
That's it? Is that it? Uh-oh.
Who's this? They got them on it.
This for everybody, Marv.
Oh, my God. Santa bought that specially for you.
What is it?
What is that?
Oh my!
Somebody take a picture of my hand for me.
Wow. What is that, Mari? Don't drop it.
But I dropped that thing. That thing cost too much money.
Mari say cheese.
Don't open it yet. You gotta open it.
Wait.
Hold on,
Are
let me
you
take-
happy?
Let me take a picture.
Yeah.
Look, Amari, say cheese.
Is that a black and white controller?
Oh, my God.
I wanted this.
What is that?
Thank you, Santa. Look! Look at Papa, look!
Where is this? Hi.
Robert said he just want to see one person.
Where is he? Hi.
Who kind of game is that? Who was that? Over to a game room?
What's that?
It's a card game!
Who that?
Oh, you
Rihanna.
My hand's full. Put it down. Put it right there.
Oh, Martin, you got your game.
Don't open it yet.
Don't open it yet. Are you happy? High five, Mari.
That's mine too.
This the best
job
ever.
Mark, it's a PS5. Yay,
Right, it's not Robert. Kyle, do that, bro.
It's yours too.
You gotta open one at a time.
What is that, Robert? Whoa, okay now.
Okay,
Okay now. All right, everybody ready? Robert, that was them real coaches over there.
Jasmine here. Jasmine.
Who that? You don't even know who it's from, Robert.
It didn't say.
Everybody.
That's my
Oh,
girl.
thank you.
You already got one?
I can play this on Fortnite.
That's for me and
Oh,
Robert.
precious, thank you.
Jazz.
Oh, you got me this one.
Oh, this one.
Fortnite,
Who's this?
Amara, let me.
Look.
Did you let me hear Pops Christmas? You feel like
Kayla told me.
No, it's probably because she had them things in. But she gave me that case.
Thank you, baby. Thank you all
She
the
been told me like last week.
Hey, brother, this from you?
I'm trying to see who's
Open it up.
Your present too? Oh, you already know.
Give me him. Who that say?
You already know what you got.
Who does it say? Okay, here.
That's yours too?
oh, it's so big.
That's yours?
This one big.
Some sort of weight or something.
Who got you that?
What is it? Oh, it's a
Yeah,
tablet.
he could be in the shop.
Go ahead on, son. I hope it motivates you to be good, because I got me a whole bunch of collections. Shut up.
I didn't even say anything.
So guess what? Guess what? So you guess what? You start acting bad.
And turn up somebody else's stuff. I got a lot. I got me some big stuff in mine.
Let me see that roll.
Excuse up and all.
You open that up.
Put it down for a fall.
Where you get that Ps5 from?
All of us chipped in, guys.
I got this one.
Ain't no lie.
Can't nobody tell you nothing.
So me
He
and Robert got
got
that
that.
for
He
you.
done got that outfit too.
Yeah.
The one. Like they got.
Just both.
Yeah, right there.
There you go, Zay.
What is it?
Her gender neutral colors that she likes.
I got a lot of stuff.
Now, shit.
I got a
A
lot,
lot of this
stuff.
stuff gonna be repossessed. I can tell now.
I already did.
I've been cleaning up everything. What y'all need me to do?
Go ahead, and open it, man.
As soon as my meat heal, I'll be riding.
What is it?
That's pretty.
I want to help her.
You only have to
I want to help her.
Probably got Bluetooth on it.
Oh, you got this.
Ooh, a hoverboard. It is camouflage. That's nice.
They got Bluetooth on it. You can play music on it. And ride.
They have the words to
Nice.
you.
Don't drop it.
Don't, yeah.
You can't drop it.
Can't drop it.
He finna straight call.
So what you got to say?
Are you amazed?
So you see how people try to go out their way to look out for you? Somebody else's property.
You got more than that.
Just open your presents up.
I have to show them my name on the
Did you
first.
open what you get?
I ain't opened it yet.
Oh,
I
okay.
want
I was
y'all to
making
open y'all. Erica, you like your stuff?
Yes, I like it. Thank you.
Jasmine, you happy?
Uh-huh.
You like your
Look at her
stuff?
big old Stanley. I don't think I could carry these little things around.
Okay.
It's something
You
missing.
like your mother?
I ain't got a box
You ain't finished though. You got something else.
Jasmine had Adriana, yep.
Wow, you got something
Look,
else.
show Kayla.
That's cute.
Show Kayla I got Adriana this.
Oh, open this thing back up, Kayla. Adriana. This one, I thought you were getting one, but this one has baby sauce on it. But you can use
Kayla.
open it.
Where's Kayla?
My box.
I don't know. Adriana.
These are cute.
Hey, Adriana.
So.
Can you see Kayla?
Ah.
One of the things I got Adriana.
Yeah, they're cute.
They didn't have her colors, so I got this color.
I needed the X.
And then she just got, where your shoes, Adriana? She couldn't see them.
It's on there. There's an X.
There's an X. That was the O.
What you do is,
Okay, so you might have to do another one, okay?
what we gotta get in there.
You have to.
I don't say my box, but where I keep the shoes. I got one in there.
Wow, pink.
Hey,
That's
can you
cool.
go, Jasmine?
Let's see.
Hey, look what I got.
Nice.
Cute.
Pinked out.
Say, call her name. Turn it around. She can see it the other way. Kayla, Mari talking to you.
No.
Kayla, look at my Ps5.
Thank you.
You like it?
Can Kayla hear you? Like, call her name.
Who's present that open right here? That's your car.
Earmuffs, they are cute. It's getting cold too.
Anybody else like a pair of earmuffs?
Mom having the decoration.
You don't like them, Adriana? I didn't say I didn't like them. What you mean?
Kayla had.
Let me open my here.
What doodle stuff?
Right there,
Oh.
those two. Let me open my here.
Let me see what your name is. Let me see what your name is.
Okay. It's Mama Bear.
Hey,
What? Wow. Wow. Mama
Kayla hung up.
Of course. Wow.
Kayla hung up.
Mari had it.
Oh.
Thank y'all, children. Wow. Wow.
You got any other words?
You enjoyed my gift. Wow.
so wait, let me enjoy it.
Robert, what is this? Some
Omar, can she open her own shoes?
Wow. Thank you, husband. Wow. What else I got? Jasmine. Jasmine, let me enjoy my moment. Wow.
Oh.
From Robert.
That's nice.
Oh, those are nice. Thank you.
Wow.
Those are candy shoes.
The candy shoes.
Nice.
Let's see what else I got. Whoa. Oh, look at the Bible case. Thank y'all. This is nice.
Who bought me this?
Everybody.
We all bought it.
Thank you.
Oh, wow, y'all. Look at this. Oh, look at this. Wow. Oh, they're so thoughtful of y'all. Well, there got to be a Bible in the other bag.
I thought you already had one.
Hey,
Mari's trying to take everything.
this is mine.
You got your great
Well, we just want to see it. You don't want to let us see it.
I'm trying to let you see it.
Look
Wow.
at my Ps5, Gammy.
No, you asked me for those.
Oh, you did? I did.
You know the hoodie that I had. That's a different one though.
This is different.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I love this Ps5.
Thank you. And you know what, Adriana? I needed me some hoodies, too. Thank y'all. Oh, wow. I can do all things. I like that. Look at that.
Mommy, you like my
Thank y'all.
Ps5 so
Then my Secret Santa. My Secret Santa, I got me some Vans.
I remember Adriana used to have those to work. Didn't last too long.
I got me 2 pair of Vans. Thank you, Tamia.
The white ones?
I want to work with a baby.
Thank y'all. Where's the rest?
Amari, keep your eyes closed.
They gotta stay closed. I'll tell you when you can open. You gotta keep it shut, okay?
Oh my God.
Don't open it. How you would
Oh my God.
Are you ready to see?
Count to 3. 1, 2.
Look at him, a
Wow,
new
that
wet.
boy got a ride.
Don't run nobody.
Hit the gas.
I don't know how you do it. Oh. Wait a minute. Not mad. You gonna go back.
I'm going back in the road.
Hand.
Erica, I was so mad when that Kindle came. I said, I know damn well this ain't no Kindle right here. And that thing ain't playing drum. Ain't no bigger than that. I said, where the rest of that thing at?
I hope you got it when it was up. I already got that little thing. I'm gonna get AirPods regardless. That's what I was gonna get. That was the one to get this. One of those. I'm tired. So I don't want to go there.
Usually when I take a nap.
But see, like, I thought that was cool, like how it moved.
That's neat. I already got something like that. AirPods and that. I said, let me get the next other thing. I was between the yellow ones. I said, well, I said, just like Rose. I said, I don't want to pick Ferguson's out. So everybody can use little pajamas.
Yeah, I like champagne toast, so you could have gotten some Bath and Body Works.
But guess what? They started semi-annual sale tomorrow, so.
Huh? Yeah, somebody seen something.
What happened?
They started semi-annual sale tomorrow.
Oh, really?
You work tomorrow?
No, I'm off tomorrow.
You need to get up and go. That, I wonder what Daddy got. You go by and talk to him?
Because I want to get me some more, I keep saying fall clothes, winter clothes. And I need some more, I want to get some,
Who wants to say hey?
can I see how your camera
Merry
works?
Christmas.
Oh, sadly, I have to work today.
I don't know how to edit stuff professionally, but I think
That's why I want to do more editing and
consulting. I want to get into professional consulting and
like online, digital. I want to do something digital.
well, just like with,
They got digital class.
with professionals. I do want to get me a certificate in like either trauma informed yoga or like somatic certificate in somatic therapy.